Welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will create a drop-down list in MS Excel. Just in a few seconds, just watch video until the end so you will learn. So for example, we have items. I will show you two methods, okay, to create drop-down method. The first one is that just come here to the data tab. After coming to the data tab, come here to the data tools to the data validation. Okay, here select data validation. After selecting the data validation, here in the this list we will select list. After selecting list in the source area, now here we have two options. The first option is that we can write by our own self, like first, second, third, like this we can write, okay, by our own self, separate by comma. And another option is that if you have a list of data and you want to make a drop down from that, so we can select that data also. Like here in sheet 2, we have this list of data and I want to select this data. So after selecting that data, now let's press OK. So it will create drop down list from this data. Press OK. Let's come here. So let's check it. See, we have first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. We have this list, a drop down list from that data. Now, for example, you want to add a new record or a new list, a new item, or delete one of them. So how to do it? For example, if you directly write here, for example, sixth, okay. So let's move now to that drop down sheet 1. So we don't have the sixth one. So how to do it? Okay. So to add another record, let's right click, for example, right click on this one, insert row. Okay, insert entire row. Okay, we would like to insert a new row and press OK. So we have inserted a new row. So let's write here, for example, sixth. And now let's check it. See, we have the sixth one also. But if you would like to delete one of them, so for that simply select that row, right click and delete that. So after deleting that, let's now check it. See, we have just fourth and fifth. So it is all about the drop down list in MS Excel. So if you learned this video, if you learned this drop down list, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.